Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and also put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, I love you all. So in today's recipe, we are making porridge beans with plantain. So here I've washed the beans and putting it inside already boiled water. Give it a little stir and add your sliced onions. These onions it does wonderful to beans. The taste, the aroma that it gives to beans is made in heaven. So you don't need to skip these onions. So you cover your pot and allow it to cook. And the onions inside beans, it makes it to get done on time. So here I'm also adding some chopped meat. So I'll make sure that everything sinks inside very well so that it can cook. Yeah. So after that, make sure that everything enters very well. So I'll allow it to cook for some minutes. Then I'll now add the chopped plantain. So I've divided it into small size. So I'm trying to make it to sink inside so that it can cook, because I don't want to add any other water, so that it can cook with this water. So after that, I'll cover the pot. Then allow it to cook for some minutes as well before I will now add the oil. So it's time to add oil and other ingredients. So here we will add our pepper and add also the seasoning, the spices of your choice. So here I'm adding Maggi and salt. You stir it, give it a little stir. So after it, now cover the pot and allow it to dry up the water. Look at the stirring. Make sure that you stir it so that everything will mix together. The oil will touch everywhere. And cover the pot and allow it to dry up the water. So as you can see, the beans is still having some water into it. Now it has completely dried up the water. As you can see, the food is ready. Ready, and the taste is made in heaven. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share and comment. Leave us with a comment if there is any correction or what you want to tell us at the comment section. Please feel free to comment your opinion on the comment section. Share it to your friends as well. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Love you.